Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install the Flutter SDK and add it to your path so commands work system-wide. Once done, install Vscode plus the Flutter and Dart extensions to get IDE integration and code snippets. Make sure an Android emulator or iOS simulator is available or connect a physical device, because you need a runtime to test. These steps ensure your environment can build, run, and debug Flutter apps right away. Once your tools are ready, create a new app with Flutter Create or use the Vscode command palette's Flutter New Project to scaffold files quickly. Open the project folder and make sure the Dart Analyzer and SDK are recognized so autocomplete and errors work. Next, select your target device in the status bar and use hot reload frequently to iterate. This saves time and preserves state while you tweak UI. Also configure launch JSON for advanced run/debug configurations, so builds are repeatable and debuggable. To finish, build and deploy using Flutter Run or Vscode's run command. Then validate behavior on device and run widget tests to catch regressions. Use the Flutter Inspector and Dev tools to profile rendering, memory, and network requests so you understand any performance issues. If things go wrong, first run Flutter Doctor, review device logs in the debug console, and reload the Flutter extension or restart Vscode to clear stateful extension errors. These steps get you from code to a stable app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.